Hey my lovelies, I hope you're all doing amazingly well. This is going to be a super quick video as I am vlogging today and I'm also working and I'm on my lunch break. So I just wanted to jump on here. Sorry, this bit of my hair is really annoying me. Anyway, today we're just going to be doing a really quick review and it's comparing the NARS Climax Mascara with the NARS Extreme Climax Mascara or the NARS Climax Extreme Mascara. So I wanted to do a little comparison review because I've had a few questions which one's better, so I thought I would show you and then give my personal opinion afterwards, and you can obviously see how they look. So I'm going to zoom you in, we're going to do this real quick and then I'm going to do my overview, and hopefully I don't waffle on too long that you just get sick of hearing my voice. So I already have kind of done my makeup, but that was this morning, so don't judge me that it's not looking as great as it could do. But anyway, the first mascara I'm going to use is the NARS Climax, which is the original. I think it costs £22. I will link below where you can find it because I've been a lot better, but I used to forget to do that and people used to get really annoyed at me. I'm going to also move you closer so I can show you what my lashes look like right now. I have nothing on them. So very bare. So let's go in with the NARS Climax Mascara. So I'm going to use that on this eye and then the Climax Extreme on this one. So let's go with the Climax first. I was obsessed with this mascara when it came out. Loving it. It's a beautiful packaging as well. I loved it. As soon as I found out that NARS were doing this, I was like, yes, I want that mascara. And I'll show you what the bristles look like on this. So this is the bristles. This is my second NARS Climax mascara that I've purchased and I still really love it. I think it's such a great mascara. I don't really use too many other mascaras. I used to buy a load of different ones and I just don't anymore because I know what I like. So I like to add quite a few coats onto this one. I look so tired today. I had hardly any sleep. I blame Echo. She came up, so she sleeps downstairs. We used to let her sleep upstairs. This is the problem. Bad habits, my fault. So we used to let her sleep upstairs, but she's allergic to dust, so we have to keep her downstairs. I'm telling you my life story here. And so she likes to still come up in the mornings we just put a blanket on the bed and we let her for like half an hour in the morning have a little snuggle with us and then kind of, you know, go back downstairs and we give her food. So the last few nights she's been testing the boundaries, to say the least, and at 3 o'clock this morning she decided to come upstairs and try and get on the bed, and she's not allowed, she won't get on the bed without a blanket because she won't go on the bed unless we tell her she's allowed, but she'll still come up and try and wake you up. But she has this tendency, so I sleep in my underwear. Okay, you don't need to know that, but I do. And at 3 o'clock in the morning she decides to put her very cold nose right on my butt crack, right? Sounds funny, like it is funny now, but oh my life, the shock of my life, it made me just, I woke up, it freaked the life out of me, and yeah, it was just crazy, wake me up, and then I couldn't go back to sleep, so I went downstairs and slept on the sofa, but yeah, she's pushing the boundaries and I couldn't sleep, so that's why I'm tired. I've got bags. That's a long-winded story and I'm sorry. So this is the difference. So this is obviously NARS Climax and this is my eye without any mascara. So as you can see, it really lifts the lashes, it lengthens them and really emphasises the eye. It doesn't clump, which is what I really like. So that is the NARS Climax, and then the NARS Climax Extreme. I keep saying Extreme Climax. Anyway, this is what the packaging looks like. I love the packaging of this one. I have to say I prefer this packaging to this one. It's thicker. I just like the black packaging, and it's like a matte black instead of like a shiny colour. This is the bristles on this one. They're similar, but I feel that these are a little bit shorter than the Climax mascara. So this is the Climax Extreme mascara. The eyes actually look the same, but there is a difference between the two mascaras. So this is obviously the Look Climax Extreme Original Climax. I love them both, to be honest. My personal favourite is actually the Original Climax. I find that with, as much as I love them, I find that with the Climax Extreme, it could just be my one, but too much product comes onto the brush, and then when you brush your lashes with it, a lot of product goes onto your lashes, which obviously initially will clump them together, and then you have to kind of try and scrape some of the product off just to comb them through, which I just find quite annoying. But I usually clean. I didn't in this video just for the sheer fact I wanted you to see, but it obviously does do that. More product comes onto the brush, which obviously coats the lashes, but for me that is not how I like my lashes to look. I like them to look more individual, which I do feel that my Climax mascara achieves more. Now I don't know whether it's because of my lashes, maybe because I've got longer lashes, that the longer brush bristles on the Climax brush, or what seems to be longer bristles, I mean, that's just the effects I feel it has. I feel like that combs through the lashes a lot better. There's less product in here anyway, because I've had this for longer, but this never did what this product does, which was obviously too much product on a smaller application. So yeah, if I was going to choose one, I would always buy the Original Climax, because I feel that this gives you, they give you pretty much a similar payoff. This is more extreme black. It looks a little bit darker. You can see that the lashes look a bit, I think, a little bit more fuller on this one, and maybe that is because you get more product on the bristles. But I would always choose the NARS Climax, the original. I like the application a lot better, but I do feel like the payoff is pretty much the same. Lengthening, thickening, makes your lashes look, you know, like they pop. Yeah. So I think I would definitely go with the NARS Climax after using these. Obviously I've used Climax for a long time, but after using this for over 2 weeks, I prefer this one. So yeah, helpful for when I'm buying a mascara again. I will always go with the Climax. So yeah, I hope that's useful to you. That's just my personal experience. It could just be my Climax Extreme mascara that's what happens to the bristles. I mean, it could just be mine, you never know. But you shouldn't have to clean the bristles just to get a decent layer to brush through your lashes. But I don't have that problem with the NARS Climax. So there we are. Not much of a difference, but enough of a difference for me to choose this one. I hope this is helpful. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. I'm sorry I've waffled, I always waffle. But I love you guys, thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the thumbs up button, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you next time. Bye!